is coming. The mystic portal awaits.
Will you be quiet? You guys don't get it, do you? Once we go into Sid's house, we won't be coming out.
Good boy. Sid. Good boy. Hey, I got something for you, boy. Ready, set, go! Hannah! Hey, Hannah!
What?
Did I get my package in the mail?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, no, Hannah.
What?
Look, Jamie.
Hey!
She's sick.
No, she's not.
To perform one of my operations.
Not Sid's room, not there.
Oh, no. We have a sick patient here, nurse. Prepare the alarm. Snap! Patient is prepped. No one's ever attempted a double bypass brain transplant before. Now for the tricky part. Pliers.
I don't believe that man's ever been to medical school.
Doctor, you've done it!
Hannah!
Janie's all better now. She's lying! Whatever she says, it's not true!
We are gonna die. There's gotta be another way out of here.
Buzz? Was that you? Hey, hi there, little fella. Come out here. Do you know a way out of here?
They're cannibals.
Mayday! Mayday! Come in, Star Command. Send reinforcements. Star Command, do you copy? I've set my laser from stun to kill.
Ah, great. Yeah, and if anyone attacks us, we can blink them to death.
Hey, you guys! I think I found him! Buzz! Is that you? Whiskers! Will you get out of here? You're interfering with the search and rescue!
Mom, have you seen Woody?
Where was the last place you left him?
Right here in the van.
Well, I'm sure he's there. You're just not looking hard enough.
He's not here, Mom. Woody's gone. Woody's gone?
Yeah, boy. The weasel ran away.
I told you he was guilty. Who would have thought he was capable of such atrocities?